Hi guys, I'm back and I'm gonna talk about how I met my cats and what I feed for my cats. And when I met my cat, and I was just asking my mom to just buy this type of discuss because before that I don't really like cats because they like that or like I'm scared of them. If I see them near me, I never cross the place. And one day, I started thinking, why do I need to be scared for cats? And I asked my mother to buy whiskers, and I started feeding them. And before I buy this packed food, I just buy whiskers. I go down, and if down, we live in a flat, but if we go down, there's so many cats roaming around. So I'll just take a paper, newspaper, and just put this, and they'll eat. And I started petting them, and they are so nice to me. And then I started asking my mom to buy this type of packaging food, and I met my cat right there. I was only feeding one orange cat first, and Bella. Bella is like a black um, forest cat. I think she is a forest cat, and Bella and Nikki is the first cat that I met, and I started feeding them, and they are reacting so good to me. If I come down to see the nature, just come down normally. If the cats see me, they'll just come to me and just stand with me. And then that's another cat. It's white, so white, it's full white, and the eyes is so blue. The eyes is blue. And then I started feeding that cat. After I feeded that cats, I came up to come to my house. They followed me home, and I don't know if they wanted more food or what. If they wanted food, they'll just come to me, come near my leg, and like this, um, and meow so much. There's no meowing, and after that I know so much about cats, like how they see, what color they see, what color they see. Um, they already know me as a on or not. Already searched everything on the Google and was just following me to play. My mother told not to bring the cats near the home because Bella was trying to come inside, but I'm allergic to cat fur. So my mother told don't let the cats know where our home is. So I never let the cats know. I just roam around the flat, like not up in just my house row. I'm just roaming around and they keep following me. They are just following me for playing. And I also started playing like pet them, rub their belly, like that. And when they are lying down, they are not seeing me. I tried to go to my home, but they knowed it by my footsteps and just they came following me again. And the orange cat left because I think the cat got lost. I mean, lost following me, so don't know where I gone. So it already go back down, and another white cat just followed me home. I thought it was not following me because it was hiding from me. It's a flat. We have so many house, right? It was hiding behind the rack of my neighbor's rack, and I came to the house, and I was talking to my father, and he just came and just see me like, and I was sitting down because so hot, and just sit there. I have a bicycle outside, just scratch that, and it just go, just roam around the flat. And next day, I always give the tuna. I mean this Whiskas, because cats like Whiskas. And what I feed my cat is, I have 13 cats now. First, I feed 3 cats, then 6, then 9. Now I have 13 cats. I'm also feeding a home cat. I don't know, the owner set free the cat because it's pandemic. Was just roaming around, and one day I saw the collar in the neck, and I tried finding the house because the collar, I was trying to find the address of the collar, but there's no address in the collar. It's just like a cartoon collar, and one day the collar was gone, and I thought it was another cat, but it's not. Its color, its eye color, its tail, everything. I mean, tails, the fur color is, and everything is same. And I thought it fall somewhere. And the next day I saw it again, and I thought, I really was confused until I confirmed that the owner is setting free the cat because of the pandemic. I think so. I thought the collar was gone. Then the second day it appeared again, so I was confirmed. And then it's a orange fluffy cat. I don't know the breed of it. Um, I think it's Kampung Handsome. I think so, but it's not. But Kampung Handsome is not that furry, but it's so furry. I thought I could um take it as a pet, but I can't. But I, because I have an allergy to cat fur, so can't. I just feed cats, but not take them as pets. They are just like outdoor pets for me. Um, if they see food in my hand, they'll just come to me, just follow me like meow meow meow, and just follow me. They even never let me put the food on the paper because we're so hungry, and I was so pity for it. And this type of whiskers, they like it so much because this is their real food. This is just like um, not really food. This is their prize, like a treat. This is like a treat for them because they don't eat so much. It's a stray cat. They don't eat. And I started buying this packaged food. Started feeding them, and there's so many cats roaming around here, like 20, 30. There's so much roaming around in this flat. And I brought this. If the cat leaves more, another cat sniffs it. Cats and dogs have more immune than us to sniff. Okay, they sniff and just come they find their food, just sit the gate near the gate after they eat. I tried finding so many names in the Google, but none of them said my cats. What it's like to have 13 cats, it is a bit hard to take care, because every cat don't like the same flavor, and it's not like the other cat is all other type of cats. They are two they are two black cats, and one of them is I loved one of them so much. One is a male and another one is a female. The male is so naughty, just um, came out and he just do the thing, do the poo poo and just ran away. Thank God it was raining. And another, the female cat is so priceless for me. It's so lucky to have that cat. Yesterday night, I saw the cat in another house laying down near the gate. And when I'm back, I came again. It was sitting near the stairs. When I came, just saw me like, and I thought it was really hungry, but it's hungry. It will just follow me to home, just shout like meow 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 so much, and I don't know. I mean, I know if it's hungry. The white one is so little, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Blue eye. I saw that in one evening. Another blue ones. Saw that in the evening. I was taking all the clothes out, and there's food left here, left outside. Just ran from there. Just saw the cat go into another house and he tried to leave because there's no food there. And I just like I do the mouse sound to make them come, and the cat saw the food and just ran like Superman and just came to eat. And I take more food and put there. I just stomach fully eat that and go. Just sit here, and that's all. I feed Whiskas for my cat, like mackerel, tuna. They like the mackerel so much. Even really never let me put the food on the paper. So hungry, and I took the paper like this in my hand, and I put the Whiskas. I tried to, but the cat like stamped at me. I'm scared that it would scratch me because they'll turn aggressive when we show food and we don't give them. I started being scared for him, and I distracted the cat by showing my hand like this. When the cat is distracted, I just open the package slowly and put the food, and it's so smelly for me, but it's a prize for the cats. Mm. Me and my brother like cats. Firstly, my brother is not scared of cats, but I am. Then I started thinking, don't need to be scared of cats. They're just poor, no mouth animals, and I believed that they won't bite me, they won't hurt me because they are kind animals. I'm still scared of dogs because I can't know which dog is soft and which dog is hard to me, like scratching me, like barking at me. There's another cat. That's not a cat, it's a dog. I'm too obsessed with cats. I like cats so much. Um, there's another dog. It's tied up. It is so crazy. When I go near that dog, the motto with my dad, or I just come to feed birds. I also feed birds, just like with my rice. Just feed them, just like whoa, 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 and come to nearly bite me. But it's tied up with a chain, so I am really scared of dogs, but not cats anymore. And just really try to bite us and the birds because there's so many birds. You know, Pura, the white color ones. It's called Pura. That one. Um, Crow, chickens, rooster. Like that, there's so much. In that area, me and my father went to feed the birds, and there was a chicken there. And I found so many feathers there that I took a jar, put all the feathers in, and I put in that in the place that don't have any um, air, so it started smelling when I took it out because we always play like if my brother have so much feathers, I have 8 feathers, he have 9 feathers, I try to fetch them, and my brother had like 11 and I have like 13. He tried to take it, but I just closed the door, I just locked the door, and I just like put it in the closet. After so many days, I showed where I put it because he promised me I won't take it. And then it started smelling when I took it out. So my father told me to throw it. Hmm. So I also feed birds, but not now because if my cats see me, I don't know if they are following. If I see behind, they just like stop and stop looking at me like when I start going, they just like follow me and I heard the paw steps. For humans we tell footsteps, for cats we tell paw steps, right? And I reacted that I don't know because cats is really brilliant at following, and also really brilliant at tricking us. And I don't know if they will follow me. And cats, the stray cats like to attack the birds, mouse too. Yeah, that's why now I don't feed the birds, but there's someone who feeds the birds every day. Because when I go, there's already so many birds that was eating, and I was like, what is the meaning of life? I came here to feed. Is already eating, and it was my feeling. And I started to see that some of the chicken is not eating, and I'm not going near because one time I told my father there's a feather, and my father I told my father to go collect it, because me and my brother are collecting the feathers. There was a rooster, and I thought it was just a chicken. My father got near to took the feather, and the rooster just followed it like run to my father, and my father just like it like that. He not kick the chicken, but he just reacted like kicking the chicken and he just ran away. The he just like yeet and just ran away because um roosters, if you let them follow you, they'll follow you forever. They'll only let you if they think you're innocent or they're tired. And I was going to a shop with my father, and we got the feather and got the things. We got to the home, and my dad was like, "Whew, just missed from that rooster." I was like, that rooster was just so soft. It's just start attacking people. I saw so many videos online that roosters also start attacking people, like um, go behind them, follow them. With them out, they like at the lake, just at the lake, starting seeing all the videos now. I was like, oh my god, so hilarious. And there's so many roosters that attack. I feed my cat this type of packaging food. It's like the food that cat owners own, like this one. Sometimes I buy Whiskas because it's their favorite food, and this is just like summer watching for them. See, the cat firstly liked this flavor, ocean fish and chicken, and they started now refusing to eating that, and they are still hungry because they followed me. And I saw this, um, how much do we need to put for the cat? Day 1 and 3, it's then like a beat. We start with a beat. We train the cats. I really trained the cat like that to eat that, but it was already bored for eating that. And at the start, I'm also out of food. I'm nearly out of food. And there was only the ocean fish and chicken flavor. I bought two. They start refusing to eat them. I don't know what to do with this. Don't really understand what to do with this. What they really like and eat is this Whiskas. They like the Whiskas. Every cat likes the Whiskas. One time I was playing with the white cat. My brother was like, after the cat ate, we was just like playing like this. My brother was like standing in the house, and we have a gate. So my brother was like starting playing with that, with the cat, with the hand. And the cat was like try to jump, thought it was gone to scratch, but it tried to quack inside the house. Bella and I forgot the name. I named 13 cats and I forgot the name every time. Only remember Bella, Sweetie, Milo. Forgot the name. Things Lucky. Just tried to jump in, and I was like, every time this happens, and I got the gate and was just like, just push it, and it just it was scared and it came down. because we put net in the gate because before I was started feeding the cats was like trying to get inside from the place, and it was just like roaming around in the house, but we never noticed. Um, One day we had the net. We already fixed a net on the thing on the gate, and one cat things lost from the home, just like so furry, somewhere white, gray, orange. I know it's not a stray cat looking at the paw, and just like climbed. Think that they're on a what um train the cat to climb the wall or what. I don't know. I think that type of cats are good at climbing. That's only what I know. Just he climbed, just like climbed to the net, just like come up, and there was a hole like this it's big. And it was a round thing, and you just got inside and you just go to the bedroom, just like sit there like this. And my brother was at the kitchen. I was standing near the TV, and my dad was doing work. He had some work, and my mother was just sitting seeing series. My mother, me, I saw something rolling down. My brain started loading. I saw, I heard some steps. It was just like that, and it jumped inside, and I was looking at the cat like, what is that? Wait a minute, that's a cat. My mother be like, um, both our brains started loading in that moment. My mother was like, what is that? It's a damn cat. And my mother knew I was allergic to fur. It was so cute, but that time I'm still scared of cats. And just like came in, go to the bedroom. Thank God I never jump on the bed. Just sit near the bed like, and I was like, that's a cat. My brother was standing near the kitchen like this. All of brains start not to working because we just realized it's a cat before after it entered the bedroom. We all saw the cat like my brother was like standing near the fridge like this, and my brother was like, "Mom, that's a cat," and I was like, "How did it get in here?" I started like with my food. Just need to jump on the table, and never did that. And why just ran straightly to the bedroom? And my father's like ironing the shirts, and my father was like, saw us while like seeing that inside the bedroom. My father was like, "What happened? Why are you all shocked?" And I was like, "My mom, my dad firstly thought it was something else." My dad was like, and my dad saw the cat. My dad was like, "How did you come in?" Oh my god. And my dad be like, just got the cat out, and it just climbed again and again. My mother got the keys and just like, not too harsh, but poke, just not, it's not sharp, okay? It's not sharp. Just poke the cat's paw because it won't get in if it stops climbing. Started sitting in the near the chair. We put a chair out because there's some reason for it. Can't tell anything online, right? And he just sit down like that and started meowing to let them in. And my mother was like, shoo shoo shoo, and it ran away. It is a house cat, so furry. And one time, my dad was standing out and was just like standing out seeing the nature, I mean the sun, so hot. And the gate was open and Bella just came in. I don't know it came in because I was seeing TV and enjoying my chips, and I heard some steps near this packet of rice, and I was like, saw my father standing outside, and I thought it was just like, I was just thinking, and I just saw this room, inside this room, to just check because I already knew the cat will break through because before it came in, it was already starting to try to come in. After that, I saw Bella inside, like, eat a packet of rice like this, seeing me. And when I told my father came in, the cat was like standing near the fan. My father like don't know what to do. And I remembered the cat food, it's like shrimp on it. Um, I don't know, it looks like a resident. Don't know it's cat food, but I don't know. It was perfectly white and there are shrimp and tuna on it. And I was like, showed the food, and he recognized it was a food, saw the tuna on the packet, and I managed to take the cat out, and I was like, opened the can and put it, just licked it until got near the gate, and I was took it, I got a cupboard, just dumped it in there, and it was happily eat it and go. That is the story how I made my cat. And I'm not that cruel to buy the same flavor every time, but I was buying like seafood, chicken, tuna, and ocean fish like that. They like the seafood much, and I was out of food. I was nearly out of food because there was only a bit. And I got to the pet store and there was only this one left. I mean, not the pet store, but the shopping store. You know, Echo near here. Echo. We always shop there sometimes. Um, we gone in. I always buy food there. And I saw this is the only food that is left. And I thought my cats won't refuse to eat it because they was eating this as normal. and they started refusing to eat it, and I have more 2 packets, guys. I don't know how to finish it. Don't know what to do. The cat just like sniffed it and like don't want it, give me other food. And I only have this Whiskas left. It's just not old. My mother just got me 3 days ago. And I was like, no, it will finish. I'll give you it for tomorrow's lunch. They just like, okay. Just like followed me when I stand outside for combing my hair. Just stand near me and just go to another house. Mm. And I also came in. Hmm. Because my cats don't like this flavor again because it's bored of eating the same thing again. And I thought we could refund that, but my brother asked that to my mother, but my mother told we can't refund it. I don't know what to do. My cats already hate this, and we can't refund, and only have 30 cats, and none of the cat is staying. It's scared of me. It's not eating. I came out to give the food, just ran away. Okay, just ran away. So one time I saw another cat, just like orange, black, and white. It was just like dot 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 like that. The cat just ran away after seeing me. I was like took the food and just like took the food and just like and the cat heard the sound and it was just like ran again and I put a bit and it just ate and go. It was so polite. Just ran, sit like this. When I put the food, just eat and go. That's how I meet my cat, and this is how I feed my cat. Was not that cruel for just feeding this packaged food, and I always feed Whiskas sometimes. I always treat my cat how I like. If I own my cat, like I buy one cat at the pet store, I always treat them like that. Don't think, oh, it's a stray cat. I don't like it. Take that away. I like cats, even though it's a stray house cat. I like cats. I just sometimes Whiskas, sometimes this food. I don't know what to do with these extra ones. Spend 40 minutes. It took me 40 minutes to talk about this. Okay, guys. Bye. Bye.